Welcome back to my channel, guys. Welcome to a new video. Today I'm cooking some chicken chop stew, Jamaican style. This is my chicken that I have seasoned up, my broccoli, some onion, some pepper, and some carrot. Okay, I add my chicken to my wok and letting it get just some slight color on it. Now I'm going to add my carrot. Adding my carrot. Now I'm going to add some onion. The onion. I'm going to add my broccoli. So I have my broccoli. Now I'm adding my peppers. And some sauce. My pot. And this is finished cooked now, guys. Finished cooked, and you can start. This is my finished dish, my chicken chop suey with lots of vegetable.